Dino Kids.
What's that noise? It's frightening me. What noise? I don't hear anything. I heard something, like somebody somewhere is talking something. But there is nobody around, no matter how much I turn around. Maybe it's an owl. She can make some really spooky noises. Maybe you're right. You still look frightened. I suppose that sounds in your head still haven't disappeared. No, they just don't stop. We have to find out who is making that noises. And how is it possible? Well, we can exclude everything that cannot make such noises, so that we could figure out where they are coming from. That's a great idea. And how it can be done? So, let's look around carefully. Do you hear that noises now? Yes, and very distinctly. Good. Do you see an owl somewhere around? No, I don't see an owl. Good. Tell me, what do you see? Well, I see Aunt Jenny in the forest. Do you think Aunt Jenny can make such noises? No, I don't. Good. What else do you see? I see a little Archaeopteryx. Do you think that little Archaeopteryx can make that noises? Archaeopteryx is making that noises, that's for sure. Great, at last we find out where they come from. Are you still afraid of them? No, definitely not. From now on, I will look around myself carefully before being afraid of something. Choose another episode to watch. To see all episodes, subscribe, like and share.